Hello. Today we will talk about burnout and how to overcome it. Burnout is a condition that can affect anyone, whether it's at work, in the family, or in other areas of life. As a super expert, I will share with you proven methods to help cope with this condition and regain your energy and joy in life. Let's get started. 1. Acknowledge the problem. The first step to overcoming burnout is to acknowledge its existence. Often we ignore or deny our feelings, thinking it is temporary or will go away on its own. Recognize that burnout is real and give yourself the right to feel these emotions. Second, set boundaries between work and personal life. Creating clear boundaries between work and personal life can help avoid overload. Establish a time when you disconnect from work and devote yourself to family, hobbies, or rest. For example, avoid checking work emails and messages in the evening after work. 3. Delegate tasks at work and home. Don't try to do everything yourself. At work, delegate tasks to colleagues, and at home, distribute responsibilities among family members. This will help reduce the workload and give you time to recover. 4. Engage in physical activity. Physical activity helps relieve tension and improve mood. Regular exercise promotes the release of endorphins, which improve overall well-being. Find a sport or activity that you enjoy and practice it regularly. 5. Make time for rest and relaxation. Be sure to allocate time for rest and relaxation. This can include reading a book, walking in the fresh air, meditating, or engaging in a favorite hobby. It's important to regularly find time to disconnect from the routine and do what brings you joy. 6. Develop a support network. Communicating with supportive people is a powerful tool in combating burnout. Share your feelings and experiences with friends, family, or colleagues. If you feel that you need professional help, reach out to a psychologist or coach. 7. Keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts and feelings helps to understand and analyze your experiences. Keeping a journal can help identify the causes of burnout and find ways to overcome it. Write about what worries you and what brings you joy and satisfaction. 8. Learn to say no. Learn to say no if you feel overwhelmed. This applies to both work and personal life. Saying no is not a sign of weakness, but an ability to take care of your mental health. Overcoming burnout requires time and effort, but it is possible. Use the methods listed to cope with this condition and regain your energy and joy in life. Remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish, but essential for your well-being. Take care and be attentive to your feelings. If you have any questions or need support, don't hesitate to reach out to specialists. See you next time.